And here are the ingredients you need to make your Korean dumplings. So 200 grams of minced chicken, fresh chicken breast, 2 dessert spoons, so that's a spoon like this, of chopped green onions, 2 dessert spoons of chives, a teaspoon each of garlic and ginger, and then in this little bowl here we've got some red chili flakes, 3 teaspoons of sesame oil and a teaspoon of oyster sauce. And last but not least, don't forget the actual dumplings. So we've actually defrosted a packet here, and these are the frozen ones. This is what they look like, 50 pieces of dumplings. A glove is quite a good idea for you to do all the mixing in, and obviously a big bowl to mix your ingredients in. That's it. Lay them out, another tray because you're going to have to cover them afterwards. Keep that ready. Go.